Hello everyone, my name is Vika Yuliani and now I will show you how to read a conversation text in Japanese, and the name is Tokai, and here is conversation. Here is the text and I will show you how to read, and then let's get started. Watashi wa Hasai desu. Watashi wa Nihongo no sensei desu. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Hasai desu. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Jon Sumi desu. Toyo yoroshiku. Anata wa Jonsai desu ka? Hai, watashi wa Jon desu. Anata wa wakase desu ka? Hai, watashi wa gakushi desu. Anata wa subaru sanjin desu ka? Ie, watashi wa Furansuji de wa arimasen. America desu. And now, finally, I can read the text. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou. Bye.